Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. So if you wonder how to check your blood sugar glucose level, so you only need these kind of things, these machines, and I will show you how to check your blood sugar level. With that, I'm going to show you that if your sugar level is high, normal, or at borderline. So what I'm going to do, I will prepare the lancet first. I'm going to take one needle out of it. I'm gonna uncap this one and I will put this one here. Okay, and then I'm gonna close it. And like this one. Okay, now this is ready to be taking out blood. After that, I have to make sure that my machine is ready. I'm gonna turn it on. So my machine is ready. Now I will put an strip out. So these are the strips you can see here. There are 25 of it because I haven't used any one of them. So I'm gonna place one strip in my machine to take out the blood. So it is taking some time, no issues. So finally we have managed to take one strip out. So this is our strip. So I'm gonna put this into my machine like this. As you can see, now it is waiting for my blood. So what I will do, I will take out some of my blood like this. I've got a lot of blood. So it came as 12 milligram per 121 milligram per deciliter. So I'm gonna check how much I am at. So it says from 20 till 70 it is low. 20 till 70 it is low. So if it is between 72 till 126 it is normal. From 72 to 126 it is normal. So my have come as 121. So it is in normal range, though it is a bit closer, but it is far more in between the ranges. So if it could have been turned as 128 till 180, it could have been, so I would have been in the borderline area. So though it's from my standards it's a bit high, but you can say you can live with it. So try to consume as low sugar as you can in your daily routines. So this is how you can check your sugar levels on regular basis from this small kind of machine of Sinocare or any other company that you prefers, or at which you have any trust levels. So you can use these things. Now then you have to take out this strip. It will be turned off, and I think you can get the previous readings like this as well. So my previous reading was 121, so it is coming as 121. So you can take your previous readings as well. So if you have any other readings, so you can just click it and it will show you the other readings that you have previously checked on your blood. So this is how you can simply check your blood levels. Thank you.